So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to download WhatsApp. So WhatsApp cannot be directly be found on the Google because they've not yet created the developers. They've not yet done for this. But you can be able to install an APK and use it. But for this one, I'm going to straight to the browse. So I'll choose browse here. Once it opens, I'll type on my search place. I'll just type WhatsApp. Um, let me type WhatsApp. You can be able to type WhatsApp. WhatsApp. So once the options are already there, WhatsApp download APK. I will get to choose an APK from here. Once I choose an APK from here, I will come and look for a place where I can be able to get without. All right, not there. I'll use this up2down.com. So I will open it. It's called WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see, it's over there. I will go straight over here, get the latest version, open it. It's opening. Once it opens, I will scroll downwards. Simply just scroll downwards. It's still download. So it will start downloading. I will say, okay, I am sure I want to download it. So view as it downloads, it's already at 4%. So it's a WhatsApp Messenger. So it's saving straight to the storage of the Android television. We are halfway. We are at 55. It's going faster depending on the internet you're also using. We're almost at 100. Yeah. So once it finishes, we can be able to go back and be able to check how we can be able to use it. So that's how I've downloaded it. I will say just once for it to open. So the app is surging up. Once it finishes surging, it simply installs. So we will wait. On the setting, I already allowed my Nini to open. So to install from unknown sources. So I'll just simply say install. It's installing, as you can be able to see. It's installing. WhatsApp is installing. You give it time. So as you can see, it has finished to install. You can be able to open. And as you can see, my WhatsApp is opening. Uh, Remember, it's also good to have a Chrome inbuilt, so to enable you to use it. So once it's done like that, take your WhatsApp. It's saying you can be able to open WhatsApp on an iPhone. If you're using an Android, link the device. So I'll go to my phone. This is my phone on WhatsApp. I'll just simply come over here. So once you are able to link, ensure you install your application. Once it's downloaded, go to open it. Once you open it, you can be able to link it. So I'm actually linking it. I've already scanned using my phone. I've already scanned it, so it's actually trying to connect my WhatsApp to over that place. So we also wait for it to open. So it's initializing. So wait a moment. You give it time to open. So it's opening. As you can see, over there, it has already linked my WhatsApp. So I'm able to check my chats. and see who texted me and see what the conversation. If you want to go and see status, you can simply just come over there and you can be able to scroll and enjoy using WhatsApp over there, like seeing status. These are examples of status of someone who has just